Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. A 4 stars, no, a 2 star Sudoku in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, July the 10th, 2021. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, because today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and I've decided to finish the 3 other puzzles in this additional. We have 2 puzzles left: Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will solve this puzzle, a 2 star Sudoku, number 3081. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 16 plus 3, 19, 20, 21, 24. Well, 28. It's not correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 26 printed digits. Correct. For 2 stars Sudoku, always 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the letters, for the digits 4 and 6. 4 and 6 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers. No. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9. No 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see it, and 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. One box left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Yes. Alright. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. You see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about a 3 in this last row? 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers. So 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 there. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Then. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers? 4 and the 9 are missing. Well, those 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now I can fill those 2 numbers. 4 and the 9. Now we have a 9 here. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, 1 number left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 numbers in this row? 6 and the 2 are missing. 6 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, how about those 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3 is missing, and an 8. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes for the 5. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. In this big square, 2 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this second row for the number 6. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3 and the 4. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square: 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow, not so difficult one, this one. And I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.